Hello students, welcome to your social science online class. Already in our previous class that you have attended, that was your introductory class of civics of about chapter constitutional design, and there also we have discussed about what are the main topics we have to cover, we have to learn, or we have to focus on that. Here only given about constitutional design of two countries. One is of about South Africa and another of our country India. Why these two examples are given in your book? The main reason behind it, South Africa and India, same situation was there. Actually the people living in South Africa and India also, both they faced same kind of problem there. Why? Because South Africa and India, both countries were under colonial rule. Here, not only India and South Africa also, Britishers, they ruled a long period of time, and they also followed same kind of conditions. They applied same kind of restrictions on the people, so that's why these two examples are given. And actually constitutional design means on which circumstances and what kind of conditions mainly be applied upon the leader when they draft their constitution. First of all, we are going to learn about the situation or condition that we present in South Africa when the people living there, means the South African people were under colonial rule. Fine, so that if you able to understand on which kind of circumstances they mainly prepared or drafted their constitution, that time you can able to get clear picture there. First of all, there can be no greater gift that giving on one's time and energy to help others without accepting anything in return. This is the speech first given in your book. If you open your chapter, at the beginning, at the starting of your chapter, this statement only given there. This is the comment mainly by Nelson Mandela. There can be no greater gift than that of giving one's time and energy to help others without accepting anything in return. Whenever you will do any kind of work for others, you never be expect that they also give you something in return. This is very important comment. It also be applicable in your life also, so that you always try to help others without thinking they will give you something in return. If you think like that time it only be a big problem for you. So that most able, efficient and far-sighted leader of African National Congress, because Nelson Mandela, he was the most able person, efficient and the sighted leader, means he has great experience, and he was the leader of African National Congress, fought against apartheid during white South African government. Means that time you know that Britishers, they have white complexion there, so that time South African people, they were under the rule of white complexion people, because you know very well that people living in South Africa, they have black complexion there. So that lot of apartheid means racial discrimination. Fine. He spent, means Nelson Mandela spent 28 years in prison from 1964 to 1992, and that was he prisoned in Robben Island. Actually it is an inhabited island there, where mainly Nelson Mandela be prisoned for 28 years. Fine. Afterwards, how he did struggle against the apartheid. Actually, this apartheid system means, already I told you, this is the racial discrimination between one people to another people. There in South Africa, actually, those having black complexion, they were badly treated by white complexion people there. So in this time period, during 18th to 19th century, their South African people, they fought against, they struggled against apartheid system. And Europe occupied South Africa. South Africa mainly be occupied by the European people, and they settled there and applied system of apartheid, which divided country into 3 groups. Means that time South African people, they divided into 3 categories, into 3 groups. First of all, white means they are the dominant class, they are the Britishers only. Next one, black complexion people, they are the native people of South Africa. And the colored means one migrated from India. So that easily you can be understand how many categories people were living in South Africa during that struggle period. That time few, they belong from white category, they are the ruler, they are the Britishers, and black, they are the native people. And next one, the colored means they are the migrated, few people they migrated from India. So that these 3 categories, they were living in that time period. This is the apartheid system. What is the meaning of the word apartheid system? It is a system of racial discrimination unique to South Africa. Fine. Here by this picture, easily you can be able to understand. This is the racial discrimination. They are the black complexion people and they are the white complexion people. Just now I told you 3 categories there, and they are the colored means they are the migrated people. These 3 categories, they discriminate, they distinct from each other for their, on the basis of their complexion of skin color. Fine. Only on that basis, that time South African people were divided into 3 categories there. Fine. Now we are going to our next topic, how kind of oppressive system for the black means how the black people, they were discriminated by the white people. What kind of systems mainly be applied there for separated, for segregated them.